Hi and welcome to my channel, Lubo Homemade Food. Today we're making rolled oat biscuits. For this we need, this is the main product, the key star, 200 gram of rolled oats, 130 gram of sugar, 2 eggs, quarter of teaspoon of baking powder, the rind of 1 lemon, unsalted butter, 65 gram of flour and vanilla. And I've got here already melted chocolate, which we're going to use to decorate our rolled oat biscuits. So we're going to start with the rolled oats. We're gonna toast them. So we're gonna add them to a pan, and we're going to add 30 gram of butter on a medium heat and mixed often. We don't want to burn them, we just want to toast them to a golden color. This will take around 5-6 minutes. While keeping an eye on this, I'm gonna grate the lemon and I'll prepare the vanilla. Once they reach golden color, they're ready, which, like I said, 5 to 6 minutes, but look for that golden color. We're nearly here. This is now ready. We're gonna put it aside to cool. Now we're going to add 50 gram of butter. We're adding 2 eggs, 100 gram of sugar, and the rest of the 30 gram of sugar we're gonna mix with the oats. Give this a good mix. Now add the vanilla and the lemon rind. Mix again briefly. And now we're going to add the flour, 65 gram. Mix again before adding the rolled oats. And lastly, quarter of a teaspoon of baking powder. Now we're gonna add the rolled oats. Our mixture is now ready, and you use tablespoon and place in heaps like this. If you want to make them flat by pressing them, but I'm just gonna leave them like this. Keep a distance of around 2 centimeters between each. Now this is ready to go for 15 minutes at preheated oven at 170 degrees. Now our rolled oat biscuits have cooled. I should have left more space around them, to be honest, because they sprayed quite a bit. We're gonna remove them one by one, and we're gonna dip them into chocolate. Now this step is optional. If you wanna dip them into a chocolate, do that. If not, you can just leave them like this. Now this goes in the fridge for 10-20 minutes to cool. Now we're gonna decorate, again optional. I wanna add a little bit of white chocolate. Again, back in the fridge for a few minutes. Our biscuits are now ready and decorated. Ready to put on a plate and to try. They look amazing. Ready, rolled oat biscuits. Just look at them, how amazing they are. Let me try the first one. They're really nice.